Hey, y'all. Welcome to Eat and Travel with Toni. I want to say hello to y'all. This video is going to be all about me making some cabbage in the crock pot. I wanted to make some fried cabbage, but I changed my mind because I know I had other things to do. So I want to make sure I can put sort of a fried cabbage in the crock pot. So, like I said, I'm making it in there. So I've already, just to let you know, I already cut up one head of cabbage. I'm on my second one. I guess I put it that way. So I want to invite y'all in on the process. So let me go ahead and turn this around so y'all can check it out. And make sure that y'all, of course, follow, subscribe, and, of course, click that notification bell to receive all the videos upload on this channel. So I want to show y'all what I got back here in the crock pot. I have half of a container of unsalted broth, chicken broth. Then I have one of the head of lettuce. The head of cabbage. And then I have about a half a stick of butter, just to let you know. So, but like I said, I'm about to go ahead and get this other part cut up so I can get this officially on. And I know I said that fast, but I'll put the ingredients in the description too, so y'all can have it, of course. But like I said, I definitely want to make sure I did this on her for y'all. So I'm making dinner so that I can go ahead and put this on her for you. Just in case somebody else likes cabbage and want to have a cabbage meal too. Like I said, I've made this before several times actually. So. And we do like it. So if you like cabbage, like I said, this is a great recipe for you. But like I said, it don't take much time. You just have to cut up the cabbage. That's the only thing, because it takes a little while to cut this cabbage up, y'all, as you see. But then I'm just throwing it into the crock pot. Uh-oh. Cutting. Uh-oh. I was going to fry it at first, but I changed my mind. I don't want to deal with no fried anything. Just in case y'all was wondering, but I don't want to fry no chicken. No, I'm filming. This part is just going to be more of a fast part, because until I get finished and I finish talking. I can always edit it, so. I think Adrian, the rest of this cabbage ain't gonna be able to fit. So I just throw it away? Or do I guess I can make something with the Brussels sprouts. I have to make something quick. Not today, but all right, so I'm gonna have to edit all this, but all right. Go ahead and turn this camera back up. All right. All right, y'all. So, like I said, I have put one and a half, well, actually more than 1.5. This is all the cabbage I have left. And I can make a salad or some kind of thing out of this little piece. But that part won't fit because the crock pot is too full. But like I said, definitely I got all the cabbage in there that I can fit. I got, like I said, a half a stick of butter. And I got a half a box of unsalted broth. You can use any kind of broth that you want. If you want salted, then use that too. I am going to put some seasonings in here. But just know that it's the seasonings of your choice. You don't have to have any particular seasonings. Unless I say use whatever you like. Is what I would say. That's what I always say. I may have to get Adrian to come season this for me. Because I know I'll be putting all kind of stuff in her. So, Adrian, can you come season this for me? But like I said, use whatever kind of seasons that you want, y'all. Whatever tastes right for you and your family is what I would say. So, with that, I'm going to go ahead and get off here. Like I said, we'll go ahead and season it. I took out the black garlic, onion powder, stuff like that, but we'll see what he uses, and I'll just tell y'all a little bit later. But like I said, definitely just use the seasons that you like. And like I said, this crock pot's going to be on for about 3.5 to 4 hours to make sure all this cabbage is cooked. So once it's cooked, I'll come back and show y'all what it looks like. Peace out. And make sure before I get off here, make sure that y'all, of course, again, subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell to receive all the videos I upload on this channel. Peace out, y'all. I'll be back in about 3.5 hours. I'm going to have to edit this part because this stupid little thing came up and I can't close the doggone video. All right, y'all. I am back for a segment because I wanted to go ahead and put the chicken in the oven. Just to let y'all know, with the cabbage dinner, we're making baked chicken as well. And I have my handy dandy, of course, my little pan lined in foil. Already sprayed with the cooking spray. But the chicken, I'm making chicken legs actually. The chicken legs are here, and there's we have what I think 6 or 8 chicken legs, one of the two. In here. So actually there's 8 chicken legs in there. They've been marinating since this morning. In seasonings, I would say definitely use seasonings of your choice, but we had used this sour orange marinade to put on that. So we'll see how it tastes. Adrian said that it actually tastes good. We've had it before. I don't remember, but I guess we must have had it somewhere, I'm sure. But like I said, definitely it should be awesome. So all you do with the marinade and the chicken, all you do is just put the of course, just like I have the chicken in the bag, put the seasonings on there and pour your marinade on top and leave it in there for several hours. Some folks do it overnight. We've left it in there since this morning. So it's 3 o'clock now. So I guess about 7 hours maybe. Well, yeah, about 7 hours maybe for this chicken. So like I said, you can do it as long as you like. I wouldn't say go more than 2 and 3 days and that kind of thing though, but definitely no more than, I would say, about 24 hours. I don't know how much flavor you're trying to get up in the chicken, so but you don't want to overdo it. But here we go. I'm putting this on the sheet, y'all. And like I said, after your chicken marinades, all you're going to do is go ahead and place it on the cooking sheet or whatever kind of baking item you have to. Let me just use my fingers. It's not working. There we go. Or whether you have like a glass casserole dish or however you bake your foods. Ours is on this pan with the foil. It's easy for us to clean up. But like I said, all you do is go ahead and bake your chicken. And I'm going to leave this in the oven for about 30 to 45 minutes. And I will, of course, come back and check on it to see how it's doing midway, just to make sure it's not burning up or not cooking well, that kind of thing. So like I said, the marinade chicken, like I said, is definitely very easy. But like I said, we've had this in there since this morning. So I'll set this over here. So that's all, y'all. Like I said, all we do is go ahead and put it on into the oven. Let me wash my hand off. I got some stuff on my hands. Okay. And here's the chicken. Like I said, I'll get it out, like I said, 30 to 45 minutes, and I'll come back and check on it halfway through just to make sure it's cooking well. So, like I said, that's all we're doing for this little part. So, like I said, we're having this with our cabbage today. And I can show you the cabbage, too. It's just we had to put some more water in there. We did have to put some more water in there because it wasn't all the way, because it wasn't enough liquid in there for it. So let me turn this around so you can check it out. And it's, of course, boiling, sizzling, put it that way. So it's cooking. By the time the chicken gets done, that will be done as well. And then I also got some cornbread to make too. So like I said, that's our dinner for today. Make sure that y'all subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell to receive all the videos I upload to this channel. Again, this is Toni. Eating Travel with Toni. I'll see y'all shortly. Hey, y'all. All right, girl. Hope y'all have subscribed already. Like I said last time, subscribe. Make sure that you click the notification bell to receive all the videos I upload to this channel. So I'm about to make some quick cornbread. I already had this in the pantry. Of course, like I said, I'm making baked chicken, cabbage. So of course, you gotta have some cornbread. So making this is a honey jiffy cornbread actually. So I don't have to add anything to it really, like sweetener or sugar or honey or anything like that. We usually do add, sometimes we add honey to it, but we don't have to do that this time. So that is perfect. And, so let me show y'all what I'm doing, y'all. I'm going to make it exactly how the box says. So let me go ahead and put this on down here. And I got my pan already greased and already ready to go too. So, alrighty. So I'm just pouring the cornbread mixture on up in there. Let me cut this light on some over here to make sure y'all can see. Okay. There we go. Cornbread. Now on the side of the box is where you'll find the ingredients. On the side of the box, it calls for 1 egg and 1/3 cup of milk. So that's exactly what I'm putting in there today. Because usually I doctor it up with some jalapenos or some sour cream. And today we're not doing that. We're just going to do it the old traditional way. And if you haven't seen my sour cream cornbread recipe, it's actually part of my enchilada casserole. You can see that on the channel as well in one of the videos down below. So definitely go check it out. Check it out. Because like I said, that is an awesome recipe, y'all. So I put the egg in there, and I already have my 1/3 cup waiting. Well, not my 1/3 cup, but waiting. But I have to pour it actually. But it's my 1/3 cup, my measuring cup. I'm just pouring it on in there. Alrighty. Then all we're going to do is stir it up, y'all. That's, like I said, the cornbread is pretty easy to make. You just go by the directions on the box. Like I said, that's definitely what I'm doing this time. I'm not adding anything different to it. Just making what it says on the box, y'all. Exactly what it said. I'm just trying to get it all stirred up. So like I said, that's all you do with that. And like I said, I'm going to pour it into this pan once I make sure all of it's stirred up. And then it's going to bake in the oven, I believe, for about 15, 20 minutes, I want to say. Let me check that out before I give y'all the wrong time. Well, about 13 to 17 minutes, so about 15 minutes is when I'll come and check it out. And I'll show y'all too when it's done. But like I said, that's all you do with that. And like I said, all I'm going to do is go ahead and put the, ooh, it's hot. Probably because the oven's on. We got the chicken in the oven, y'all. But it's kind of hot. So I'm just going to pour this cornbread mixture on over in here. And like I said, it's going to bake in the oven for about 15 minutes. I would recommend to, of course, check on it just to make sure it's cooking well. Because you don't want it in here burning up. Because everybody's oven temperature is a little bit different. So I want to make sure it's cooking well. So, and cooking appropriately. Because you don't want it to burn up and be Cajun black and nothing like that. So like I said, definitely check on it. I'm trying to get this cornbread mixture out of here. There we go. Oh, and just to let y'all know, I'm using an 8-inch cake pan or baking pan. Because I bake my cakes in here too. So anything like this, I'll bake in there. But like you can use whatever kind of pan you want. If you have one of those foil pans, a small, I think they're 9x9 or 6x6, something. I think it's 8x8 or 9x9 baking pans. Those are foil disposable pans. You can use that too. Or if you have a glass dish you want to put it in, use that. I would say don't go any bigger than this type of 8x8 or 9x9 or something like that, because otherwise it'll be so thin, it'll cook so quick, and it probably will be crispy and burned up. Unless that's the way you like it, because I'm sure some folks like it different. Like it that way, then make it that way, y'all. I don't like it crispy and burned up at all. At all. So let's go ahead and get this on into the oven, y'all. Like I said, about 15 minutes for this. There we go. All right. I'll be back in about 15 minutes to check on this cornbread and show y'all how it turned out. And the chicken should hopefully be done by then too, so I'll show y'all what everything's looking like once it's all finished. So I'll be back shortly. All right, y'all. Sunday dinner is done. So let me show y'all how the food looks. All right, y'all. There's the handy dandy cornbread. I've already sliced it and I've already put some like rub some butter on top. As you can see, it was kind of greasy looking. That's the butter. And there is our baked chicken. Chicken looks good, y'all. Chicken looks good, y'all. Can't wait to tear into that too. And then, of course, here's our handy dandy cabbage too. That's gonna be good as well, y'all. As y'all can see, it's still smoking. I just cut the crock pot off, so it did cook 3 hours, 45 minutes. So just to let y'all know. So that's how long I had it on. So, but like I said, that's the meal for today. I'll join y'all again, of course, with another meal. I'm pretty sure of that. So, like I said, definitely before I get off here, make sure that you, of course, subscribe to my channel, Eat and Travel with Toni. And then, of course, click that notification bell to receive all the videos to upload. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll show some pictures of the plating afterwards. So still stay tuned for a few more photos, y'all. So check it out shortly.